Hey everyone, so I just got a bunch of PR packages, so I figured we would do another PR haul unboxing. I'm so excited to see what everything is because I have no clue. I was like not expecting this. Okay, so, oh my god, yes, Kate Somerville sent me some skincare. I love her skincare. I love her Hydrate and the Exfoliate, the exfoliating cleanser, or the exfoliating scrub. So let's see, beautiful packaging. And let's see what's in here. Oh, this is her Exfoliate. So this is awesome. Couldn't have come at a better time because I just ran out of my other one. But this you leave on for like 2 to 3 minutes and it exfoliates your skin so deep. So you can only use this like once a week. It's so powerful, but amazing. So thank you so much, Kate Somerville. So then I got another package here. This is, it looks like it's from Milk Makeup. So maybe this is those. What was it you guys were telling me about the other day? You said they came out with a new product. What is it, guys? Hopefully it's that product. I forgot what you said it was, but a few of you beauties were telling me that they came out with something new and amazing. So here it is. And then, ooh, oh my God, stop. Stop. Lip. Are these lips? Lip and cheeks? A whole bunch of lip and cheek swipe, blend, and glow. 60 seconds, 4 sticks, 0 mess. Oh my God, let me investigate this further. You guys, this is the whole assortment of new lip and cheeks. There is a sculpting stick, a matte bronzer, a lip and cheek, and a highlighting stick. Let me make sure. Highlighter, lip and cheek, matte bronzer, and a sculpting stick. Sculpting stick. All of these colors. Thank you so much, Milk Makeup. This is a beyond. And I'm going to come back and we're going to play with these and try them out together. And I will definitely be also having a giveaway so you guys can test these out too. Because look how beautiful. Oh, I got to show you. Look at them. Look at the mini. I'm obsessed with mini size. These are mini sizes. Thank you so much, Milk. Oh my God, I love it. I'm in heaven. Thank you. So guys, I got this huge package here. I do not know what it is. I'm so surprised. I wasn't expecting. Stop. Oh. You guys, please, is this for Makeup Revolution or what is this? This is Forget the Filler Balm Stick. Is this from Lawless Beauty? Yes. You guys, oh my God. Lawless Beauty has the Forget the Filler Lip Plumper that you don't need fillers no more. It does it for you. Plus these are all clean beauty ingredients. So this is a new Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Balm. Look how beautiful. And oh my God, it fell apart, but this is all the different colors. I gotta try this on with you. I'll be back for part 2 though. Let's just see. I'll be back for part 2. We gotta try these on together. Oh my God.